What's going on? I'm Whit, and today I'm going to show you a nice dress watch from Gavox. This is the part of the Legacy collection. Let's get into it. This is Watch Wit. Homie, don't play that. Ooh, yeah. Nice pouch. Nice. Oh, there she is. Ooh, wow. That is sharp. Oh, man. Gotta dig that, huh? Nice leather strap, too. Oh, look at that rotor. That is so classy. So this is the Gavox Legacy Navy 346.5. The Legacy collection has got like the feel of Navy and field officer watches of the early 1900s, and this is definitely doing that. Oh man, let's see the Roman numerals and look at that blued handset. Is a small second? Yeah, small seconds hand as well. Yeah, and then while I'm in here, check it out. So that center has got a little bit of striping. You've got a radial grooves, and then you see that radial section inside the small seconds subdial. Oh, very crisp. Everything's well done here, just from first glance. Got that raised riot. That is cool. So this is 316L stainless steel, and you've got a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. You see here you've got some high polish on the top side of the case, and then radial brushing on the lugs, and then linear brushing on the side of the lugs, and high polish mid case. Nice plush suede, just gives it a great soft look, you know, very casual yet elegant. But if you didn't like this strap, it comes with like 9 different strap choices, so there's all kinds of stuff you can pair the watch head with. All right, so this is running Miyota 8218 with a custom rotor. You can see that gold there, and it's got some brushing as well with the Gavox logo, and then print there looks like it says 24 jewels. Gavox Watch Company, Japan Movement. Looking good. And then while I'm here, you see Legacy 346.5, number 184. Oh, I guess these are numbered. Didn't know that. Japan Movement, automatic 21 jewels. Oh, wait, did I say 24? Oh, yeah, it does say 21 jewels on the rotor. I read it wrong. It's pretty small. You got their logo, Gavox, stainless steel, sapphire crystal. Yeah, so it beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour, 3 hertz, 21 joules, as we said, 42-hour power reserve on this Miyota. There's no hacking. It does have hand winding, though. You can do the back hacking trick. Let me see if I can pop the crown. So I'll zoom in on the small seconds hand. So if you just hold resistance backwards, you see the small seconds hand. See how it stopped now? That's your just, you know, your usual back hacking trick as you've seen on some Seikos, etc. Easier to do when the power reserve is near depletion. So if you do want to do some accurate time setting, do that back hack trick while the watch is almost dead. So something else that's pretty cool, you've got a 2 o'clock crown, if you didn't notice while I was doing that. That's pretty unique, and I think stuff is shifted around here from the normal 8218. I believe the date is usually at the 3 o'clock, so you've got it at the 6 o'clock here, and that is a custom date wheel as well. They've got the numerals to match a little bit more of that early 1900s feel. Got a nice signed crown too. Look, I just happened to line that up exactly when I wound it to be right side up. So it's just a push-pull crown. You got 50 meters, 5 ATM of water resistance. Don't think you're taking it in the water with this strap, though. You need to get a different strap for that, huh? All right, let's try it on. Today I'm wearing the Epos 3439 North Star triple calendar with moon phase. Excellent watch. This is just killer. You want to see a in-depth unboxing? Check out this video right here, and I think you'll be impressed with this piece. That is comfy. Look at that strap too. This is just a perfect pairing with this watch, I think. That's beautiful. Got that nice casual look to it. Love the stitching on it as well. Oh, I didn't point out to you as well that it's got the Gavox logo on the buckle. And two keepers, one floating and one fixed. And this is my 8-inch wrist. I didn't mention, so this is about 41.5 millimeters in diameter. You've got almost 49 millimeters lug to lug and 12.5 millimeters thickness. And these are 20, I believe. Yeah, 20 millimeters, and comes in at 74 grams on the supplied leather strap. Now, this is a watch that you wouldn't expect to have any luminescence. It's a dress watch, but I thought it was a nice little feature, and I almost kind of missed it, too, that it's got just a touch of lume on the hour and minute hands, so it helps with legibility at night. The Gavox Legacy Navy 346.5. These run about $460 US. With the conversion. I'll put a link to their website down below. Higher, farther, deeper. That's their slogan. I think I butchered it a little earlier. But you get the gist of it, right? So what do you think of this watch? Pretty slick. I mean, my first impressions are that it is super well built and has incredible quality and detail. That's just my first thoughts. But let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you please do so? That way you can follow along and see what I think after I've worn this watch for a bit and give you a full review. That one's forthcoming. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.